Powell, Diesel Bros, Whistling Diesel, boats, helicopters, jet ski, speedboat, wakeboarding, wake surfing. We are back with another banger. Well, let's go, baby.
Make sure this is clipped. Things are about to get crazy.
You ready to party?
Dude, we're fucking here, brother. It's going down. I got the fucking helmet. Safety first. I got my dad always told me I should wear a helmet. Yeah, bro. Should call my dad and show him my helmet.
Yeah.
Hey, I just wanted to call to let you know I have my helmet on.
I was hoping you'd wear one.
I got you.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Well, I'm glad to see you're being safe, Jake.
Safety first.